Monetag Ad Network Review. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Monetag, which is a platform which helps people to earn money online by monetizing their audiences. In other words, if you're a content creator, a web designer, a web developer, you've got a website, you've got a blog, or basically you've got an audience. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be monetizing that audience. Okay, Monetag is a great way to increase your revenue online, and obviously, it will allow you to gain all sorts of leads, gains, and a lot of revenue. Okay, so if you're a content creator, this video is perfect for you. And to start off with Monetag, what you're basically going to be doing is first of all, you're going to come over to monetag.com. Now, Monetag is monetize every audience type. It could be websites, Telegram mini apps, paid traffic, remnant inventory, email, social traffic. No matter what audience and web or mobile traffic you want to monetize, we are ready to meet your expectations for outstanding balance between revenue and experience for your users. Now, to start off with Monetag, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you're going to be recognizing the medium you're about to format. Okay. So, what medium are you going to give? Is it going to be social traffic? Is it going to be websites, email, whatever it is? So, once you've gotten an idea of that, you're going to click on Start Earning. Now, on Start Earning, it's going to take you to the sign up page where you can create an account with an email or you can continue with your own Google account. So, I'm going to be continuing with my own Google for now. Okay. And as we go on, what's going to happen is Moneytag is going to be taking us through the whole onboarding, giving us the whole overview of how things are. So, right here, you can add all of your consistent details. So, I'm simply going to place myself as an individual, obviously. Country of residence, obviously, you're going to let them know whatever country you are creating an account from. And obviously, it's important because according to that, it's going to be giving you the relevant details that you're going to need. Then, once all of this is done, what you're going to do is simply add an address. Once you do that, you're going to choose the messenger that you're going to use. Let's say I'm going to go with WhatsApp. All right. Now, nickname, give yourself a nickname that you want. And then finally, you're going to provide them with your phone number for some ID verification. Now, once all of that is done, click on continue. And here it says, what do you want to monetize? So we have website, social traffic, Telegram, mini app, etc. Now, let's say I want to monetize a website. Now, obviously, you're going to go ahead and provide them with the website URL. So I have a website that I'm going to be providing them. Now, once you've done that, how did you hear about us? You can just leave anything in that. And once all of this is done, what you're simply going to be doing is accepting their terms and obviously doing the I'm not a robot prompt and simply click on sign up. Now, once all of this is done, here you are. MoneyTag has set you up. So, first it says if you're monetizing a website, it says add your website URL. Okay. So, you're simply going to add the website URL. And once we've done that, we're simply going to wait for the website prompt to load in. Now, once that is done, here it is going to ask us for a little verification where it uploads the files, downloads the files for safety. So this is the verification file that you're going to download. So it's a JavaScript file, obviously. So to verify it, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be placing it in your website's files or in your website's code. Okay. So once you've done that, what that enables you to do is basically it is going to be allowing you to simply verify it and let MoneyTag know that you verified it. Now, once you've done that, you're simply going to apply for verification. Okay. And once that is done, it's going to let you know if your website has been verified. Then moving on, let's go ahead and talk more about MoneyTag. Let's see what it actually brings us. So first of all, we have the statistics section. Now in the statistics section, it's going to tell you all the ranges and dates where money has come in, money has gone out, etc. Okay, so that's some relevant detail that it's going to be providing you. And obviously, moving on, you can also get a very clear and main idea of how you can, dive deeper into the monetization bit. So we move over to sites. Okay. Now, sites is the section, obviously, where you've added your very own websites. All right. So these are websites where you're going to be monetizing yourself. Obviously, if they're verified, you're going to start getting, this notification over here, which is going to say verified. Then you move over to Telegram mini apps. So currently it says you don't have any Telegram mini apps yet. But obviously, if you do, you can simply add that application right over here. So if you click on add app, it's going to ask the app URL. Simply add the URL right over here, and that will set you up with the Telegram mini apps as well and maximize all of your profits over there. Then we move over to the API and RTBs that it provides you. So, APIs and RTBs are site integrations. So, basically, if you want a push in page push and native traffic for websites by, adding these pop-ups in your page, you can add these APIs for yourself if you want to. Now, that is obviously on you if you want to use it in this way or just add your site directly to Monetag by yourself. Then there's the direct link. Now, this is a lifesaver. Direct link is basically an affiliate type link. Okay. So basically, if I copy this link right now and I paste it over here and I go over to it, what's going to happen is when I come over to this section, it's going to give this affiliate type thing. Okay. And what's going to happen is, if someone prompts this and plays with this, and it's your link, what's going to happen in that case is you're basically an affiliate. It's a smart link that only you have. Okay. And the people who click on it, they prompt for it, they go ahead and apply for the offer, whatever's given in the link, you're going to get paid for it. Okay, so that's another way to get money through Moneytag. And you can move over to payments. Obviously, this is the place where you can see the money that has come in or gone out. Okay. And to withdraw those funds, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to set a payment method for yourself. A payment method is really simple to set up. They have a lot of providers. Okay. We have PayPal, we have Skrill, Payoneer, wire transfers, online banking, Revolut, and even crypto is accepted, which is pretty cool. So, set your payment up and instantly get payouts for yourself. Then we move over to earnings where it says there are no earnings during selected period. Try to choose another date range. Now, obviously, if you have gained any earnings in some specific time period that you search up over here in the filters, it's going to let you know. And obviously, this is the good thing about Moneytag. It keeps you quite civilized, it keeps you all in one bay. Then you can also move over to the referral programs where you can get a referral link, and it's a pretty good and decent offer to work along with, where you can earn 5% of your referrals revenue by recommending the people at Moneytag. It's pretty cool, it's pretty nice, and it's a pretty fun thing to work along with. Okay. So, basically, this is the main idea of Moneytag and how you're going to be working with this incredible platform for yourself. And, generally, it is one of the best ways that you can monetize any medium and earn money through it. So that's the main idea about Moneytag. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.